Now, in more news from the United States, hundreds have been evacuated in Boston as massive gas explosions ripped through at least 60 homes across 3 communities in the city. At least 6 people were injured when a natural gas pipeline ruptured, causing simultaneous explosions. Residents were ordered to evacuate immediately, and the National Grid announced plans to cut off all related electricity to halt the spreading gas. As firefighters scrambled to contain the blaze that had spread across 27 square miles, panic-stricken residents fled their homes. Red Cross centres have been set up across the city to help those forced out of their homes. Fire officials are saying that amongst those being treated, 2 people are in critical condition.